Hi YouTube, this is Papu Rider with one more video. So this is a 1997 Nissan pickup. After repairing the problem P1447, which is the solenoid valve. So I put everything back together, and then the next code was the air temperature sensor circuit. So I find out the sensor under here was broke. The wires are broke and there's nothing I can do. So I called the dealer and I look all over the place for a Nissan pickup. I cannot find one. If I find one, it's all apart and there's a lot of parts missing. It's not what I'm looking for. So I can find what I need. So I was getting tired. So the only solution I got is make one. So this is the stock sensor right here, and the wires all chew it up and break. And I mean, this is a $90 from the dealer. AutoZone and any other places don't have it. So I made my own. I went to the junkyard and get a sensor from a Dodge Journey with a connector and the little boot around the sensor, because you need it. So the only thing you have to do is this hole, make it bigger, and you need to use a drill bit this big, 5/8 drill bit, this big. Okay, so you drill, and then once you drill, the little boot for the sensor is not, it's gonna fit, but the sensor is not. So what you need to do is just work it around, work around until the sensor fits and you have a lot of space. And then the next is put the little boot inside the housing of the air filter box, and then the sensor and the wires. You need to find out which you want to signal and return. That's all. That's all you can do. So before I put in the sensor on, I reset the check engine light with my scanner, and there was no more codes. And then I turned off the truck a few times, on and off, on and off. I want to make sure no more codes. So once you get clear and no more codes, that means what you're doing so far is good. So I put everything back together, and the code P0110, or I think it's P0110, is gone. Before, it will pop out like 2 seconds. Boom! Air temperature sensor problem. Air temperature sensor circuit. So after repairing that and fixing that and doing aftermarket, because it's cheaper if you go to the junkyard and buy one sensor with a little, maybe $4, $3, and then you can use any. Actually, you can use any sensor from Dodge, Chevrolet. I think that's the only sensor you can use for the Nissan. So after, look at that. So you see this tiny hole right here that holds in place the sensor. You need to plug it in somehow, okay? Because it will run probably lean, because down here is the map sensor. So make sure plug those holes before anything else, and then problem solved. Okay? Leave some comments. Thank you.